Round face queens, where you at? It's my time to shine. I'm gonna show you how to contour, highlight, and blush a round face, just like mine. I'm gonna say this in every video. This is about balance and enhancement, not correction and cover up. We don't use those words here, okay? Starting with contour on the forehead, you're gonna wanna keep the contour on the sides of the forehead, leaving the top area open to balance out the length. For cheeks, there's two ways you can do it depending on what look you want. To enhance the apple of the cheek, you're gonna wanna go just below the cheekbone and swoop up like this. You see when you smile, that enhances the apple. Another way to do it, which I kind of hated on, but now I kind of like, starting at the top of your cheekbone, swooping up and following down by your chin like that. Both are hugging the cheek, but one is a little more sculpted, while the other is more lifted. On the lifted side, I still like to add a line for the chin to define it a little bit more and break up the roundness. From the tip of the chin, I go just on top of the jawline to add more definition. I love to highlight right in the middle of the face to really bring it forward. And on the tippy tops of my cheekbones to lift our faces. Middle of the chin to define it a little bit. If you want more rounded, go ahead and add the highlight under the contour, connecting to the corner of your mouth. More sculpted, you're going to go under the sculpt and swoop down where it goes down in the chin. For the forehead, just keep it in the center. You're good. To accentuate the roundness with blush, I like to keep the blush right under the eyes on the apples. Usually people say don't put blush on the apples of your cheeks, but round facers, we can get away with it, okay? For a more sculpted look, I like to keep the blush really high up on the cheekbones. And that kind of brings your face up as opposed to keeping it round. Depends on your preference. Blush on the tip of the forehead balances out the length. Here we are all finished, and now I'm gonna blend. Okay, here we are all blended. This is the rounder side, this is the more sculpted side. Let me know if you try it, if you use methods from one or the other, which you like best. I wanna see you, you look good. Okay, I love you, bye.